Hey there, Ninja. My name is Stephanie from fearlessfresh.com, and I am so excited to share with you my baked oatmeal recipe. It's kind of a mouthful. So I make my baked oatmeal with some incredible ingredients. I add frozen berries or fresh berries if that's what you've got. I add coconut, I add nuts. I can use walnuts, pecans, and I really love adding coconut milk. Or you can use almond milk, and you can use cow's milk, you can use oat milk, you can use whatever you want. It's highly flexible. But this dish is so satisfying because it bakes up really easily. It only takes like 5 minutes worth of work to put together. You put it in the oven, it comes out, you have this beautiful baked oatmeal that is almost like dessert quality, but it's healthy. Hallelujah. Like if you can have like a really healthy dessert that tastes like breakfast, or a really healthy breakfast that tastes like dessert, like you can't really get any better than that, can you? It's so easy to put together, and I like to make it in the beginning of the week, and then I put it in the fridge, and then just every day I take a chunk out and I eat it for breakfast. So it actually keeps me in healthy, whole grain, hearty breakfasts all week. It's really amazing. Kids love it, husbands love it, wives love it. Everybody loves it. I've never met a person that doesn't love this recipe. And like I said, it's also super flexible, so you can use whatever kind of milk in there you want. You can use whatever kind of rolled whole grain you like. I like oats, but I also use like this Trader Joe's like rolled whole grain thing that comes in a tube. It's really delicious. You can add any berries that you want. You can use frozen, you can use fresh. I mean, it's the ultimate flexible recipe. You can't beat it. Somewhere on this page, you'll find a recipe for it, and I highly recommend that you find it, make it, because you will love it. As always, be sure to visit Fearless Fresh if you want to become a faster, more creative, more effective home cook. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop them below, and I will get to them as soon as I can. Have a good one.